Well, we do have the drizzle and fog, poor driving conditions. It's drizzle. You don't get any accumulation. It dampens down the ground, but it just doesn't do anything for those of us that need the precipitation. There's a little bit of a wave in here that's got just enough off-surface support, and you get a little bit of circulation, so we've been working the moisture back in, and consequently we've got that low stratus deck. Now, as this pulls out tomorrow, we're going to do some clearing from the west, and we've got another low that's going to come over a little bit of a shallow ridge, and when it kicks into this area, the low looks like it would make its way into the Panhandle and then kick out toward Iowa, and after that on up to the Great Lakes. So the drill's going to be, we'll bring a Pacific surge through us on Sunday, so we should warm nicely both tomorrow and Sunday ahead of it, and then we'll do some cooling behind it. Then when this low gets into Great Lakes, that surge of cool air will continue south and gradually work its way into Texas. Now, we will see a lot of open sky, so consequently we'll have mild days and chilly nights. And we are seeing that little mass of moisture work its way slowly out to the northeast, and it should kick out of there tomorrow morning. Our sustained winds have been lighter over most of the area. We've had 5 to 15 mile an hour winds, a little stronger back toward the hill country and low rolling plains. The future track, we've got the low clouds, the intermittent light rain, drizzle, temperature in the 40s west where a little more heat will escape, the rest of us in the 50s, and then we warm nicely tomorrow as the cloud clears out, and then we're going to take it up in the 60s. A couple of us will get a 70-degree reading, and then moisture is going to work its way back in ahead of that next front. But 46 tonight, we've got the drizzle already, got some fog, and tomorrow we'll take it up to a warm 68, lose the drizzle and the clouds as we work through the morning, go with a gusty south wind, advecting in a lot of warm air, and then as we get into our 7-day, that drizzle and fog gone on Saturday. We get into Sunday, here comes that front. It looks like it's afternoon, so it will allow us to warm nicely. Gusty winds will shift to the northwest on that front. And then if you'll notice on the numbers, we stay mild during the day. We stay in the 60s, but the night times get cool, and those are those little surges of cool air coming down. And right into the Friday time frame, there's going to be a warm front and then another system coming up our way. So things are going to change. I think 10 to 12 days from now, we're going to get another surge of that wintry type weather. That's the way it shapes up, Doug.
All right, 10 to 12 days, you say?
I think so. It's the way I've got it calculated.
All right, Bill. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir.